In the darkest depths of space, two dead stars collide. Neutron stars, the ultra-dense remnants of exploded stars, spiral toward each other at incredible speeds, eventually merging in a cataclysmic event that releases more energy in seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. And from that cosmic violence, the heaviest elements in the universe are born. For decades, astronomers have theorized that neutron star collisions are the universe's primary factories for gold, platinum, and other heavy elements. But the exact mechanisms remain one of physics' greatest mysteries. How do these extreme conditions transform lighter elements into the precious metals that decorate our world? Now, a groundbreaking new AI model has cracked the code. Researchers have developed an artificial intelligence system capable of simulating the incredibly complex nuclear reactions that occur during neutron star mergers. The AI model can predict how atomic nuclei interact under conditions of extreme temperature, pressure, and neutron flux, environments that simply cannot be recreated in any laboratory on Earth. The findings, published in a recent study, provide the most detailed picture yet of how the universe's heavy elements are forged. The key lies in a phenomenon called the R process, the rapid neutron capture process. During a neutron star merger, enormous amounts of free neutrons are released. Atomic nuclei in the surrounding material are bombarded by these neutrons at an extraordinary rate, absorbing them faster than they can decay. This rapid neutron capture transforms lighter elements into heavier ones at an astonishing pace. Iron becomes gold. Mercury becomes platinum. The ordinary matter of the cosmos is transformed into the universe's most precious metals. The new AI model tracks these nuclear reactions across the merger event, mapping how different elements form at different stages of the collision. It predicts that the heaviest elements, those beyond iron on the periodic table, are primarily created in the outer layers of the merger, where neutron densities are highest and conditions are most favorable for rapid neutron capture. But the AI revealed something unexpected. Not all heavy elements form in the same way. The model identified distinct nuclear pathways, each operating under slightly different conditions within the merger environment. Some elements form through a direct, fast pathway, nuclei capturing neutrons so rapidly that they skip intermediate steps entirely. Others take a more circuitous route, forming through a series of shorter-lived intermediate elements that decay into their final forms. This diversity of formation pathways helps explain why the universe contains the specific mix of heavy elements we observe today. Without multiple pathways, the cosmic abundance of elements would look very different. The implications extend far beyond pure curiosity about where gold comes from. Understanding how heavy elements form is essential to understanding our own existence. Every atom of gold in your jewelry, every atom of platinum in a catalytic converter, every atom of uranium in the Earth's core, all of them were created in events just like the ones the AI model simulates. The Earth itself owes its existence to these ancient stellar collisions. The heat generated by the radioactive decay of heavy elements like uranium, thorium, and potassium continues to power the Earth's molten core, driving plate tectonics and the magnetic field that protects all life from harmful cosmic radiation. Without neutron star mergers, our planet would be a cold, lifeless rock. The AI model also has practical applications. Understanding nuclear reactions in extreme environments could improve nuclear energy production on Earth, help design better radiation shielding for deep space missions, and guide the search for gravitational wave signals from future neutron star mergers. Just as important, the AI represents a new approach to solving physics problems that are too complex for traditional computation. Neutron star mergers involve extreme gravity, magnetic fields, nuclear physics, and fluid dynamics all happening simultaneously. No traditional computer model could handle that complexity in reasonable time. But AI systems, trained on simulation data and astrophysical observations, can navigate these multidimensional problem spaces far more efficiently. The model predicts that future observations from gravitational wave detectors and space telescopes will be able to verify its predictions, creating a powerful feedback loop between AI simulation and real astronomical observation. As our ability to detect neutron star mergers improves, from dozens to potentially hundreds per year, each event will provide new data to refine and validate the AI model. What began as a theoretical framework is becoming a practical tool for exploring the most extreme environments in the universe. From two dead stars colliding in the void, the universe creates gold, platinum, and the very elements that make life possible. And now, artificial intelligence helps us understand the cosmic alchemy that has been happening since the dawn of time. Thank you for joining this journey through the cosmos. If you found this fascinating, subscribe to HISTORIAE Orbis Terrarum for more stories from the frontiers of science. The universe is waiting. This has been HISTORIAE Orbis Terrarum. Join us next time for more stories from the frontiers of space and discovery.